I bought these earphones for $1 and after 1 month of using, here's the result. It's annoying, isn't it? But I've got what I paid for. And since getting out there and buying a new pair of earphones can be dangerous because of this pandemic disease getting spread everywhere, I've decided to repair them and stay home. In this short video, I will be sharing with you guys the steps I went through for getting my cheap earphones to life again. This video won't contain any theoretical concepts. We have a dead earphone to repair today, so get ready and let's start our video. First of all, I opened the earphone case to find this tiny speaker, which I didn't know if it works or not. And the speaker connections were not shown on the speaker back as well. So I just soldered the ground and the audio wires to the speaker. But that didn't work, so I tried to switch the connections, hoping that it will solve the problem, but it didn't. So I thought that there's something wrong with the wires themselves. For that, I used my multimeter in continuity mode and tested both connections. It turned out that the problem was not from the wires, but from the speaker itself. For a replacement, I didn't have a tiny speaker that can fit inside the earphone case. So I thought that why I don't use a buzzer instead of a speaker? Well, it doesn't sound like a perfect idea, but it does the job. So to test the sound quality of the magnetic buzzer, I soldered the earphone wires to the buzzer, plugged the earphone cable to my laptop, and here's the result. The sound of the buzzer is not as loud as the earphone speaker, but it was hard to tell which has a better sound quality. And since I don't have another replacement, I will stick to this solution. So I started tearing down the buzzer case to extract its magnet, and here it is, a magnet with a coil. After inserting the buzzer inside the earphone case, I inserted the cable and soldered it to the buzzer leads. To make sure that everything is fine, I did the continuity test again, and yeah, it was okay. To make everything more permanent, remember to glue the connections so they don't take off easily. Finally, I put everything together, and since the buzzer did not fit very well inside the earphone case, I had to glue everything. And yeah, now I can use my earphone in the quarantine. I know that this is not a professional solution, and the earphone looks very ugly right now. But it's okay for the time being, right? For my next video, I will keep my promise and I will share with you the voltage detector circuit that I've built before, so don't miss it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and let me know your opinion in the comment section below. Stay tuned and see you next time.